Hi, I'm Marlana, one of the math tutors with ClassRx, and I would love to work with you. I love math. I was a math teacher at the secondary school level, and I loved it so much that I continued tutoring math all throughout graduate school, where I was studying at Harvard and Columbia University. When I was a teacher, I taught Algebra 1, Geometry, Algebra 2, Statistics, and SAT College Prep. In the next 3 minutes, I will show you how to solve a slope-intercept form problem. This is a concept that is very important from algebra all the way through calculus. Now, the slope-intercept form is really awesome because it makes it easier to match equations to their graph. And it will also make your life way easier. So, what is slope though? I mean, it kind of sounds like something that we've heard about probably during your childhood. It is the steepness and direction of a line. So we know that the steeper a slope is, the faster you go down a hill, right? Or the lower, the less of a slope that something has, the slower we would go down a hill if you're on a bicycle or a skateboard or something with wheels. So it's no different than that. Same thing. So as an equation, the slope equals the vertical change over the horizontal change, or what you may have heard before, it equals the rise over the run. So in other words, the vertical change and the horizontal change. Now for slope, we can have different types of slopes. So you can have a positive slope, you can have a negative slope, you can have a zero slope, and you can also have an undefined slope. So the zero slope is a fully horizontal slope, and the undefined is a fully vertical slope. Now, what is an intercept? Because the most important things for this equation are the slope and the intercept. So if I'm just going to draw a line here, I just draw a line here. Well, our intercept for the x-axis, we know this is the x, this is the y. Our intercept for the x-axis is going to be wherever it crosses the x-axis. So in this case, just a little bit above 2. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So in this case, it is about -2. Actually, it's exactly -2. Okay? So don't complicate that. Just know that it's wherever it crosses the x and the y-axis. So the form of our equation is y equals mx plus b. This is the slope-intercept form. Now what's important to know is that the m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. I'll say that again. The m is the slope and the b is the y-intercept. Now what you're going to notice about this equation below, do you see that it looks very similar to the formula? So if we're taking a look at this, we're going to see that 2 is our slope and 1 is our y-intercept. So what we can do is we can go over here. We know our y-intercept. We know that this is our x-axis and this is our y. So we know that our y-intercept is a +1. Put a 1 there. And we know that our slope is 2. So because the slope is 2, we can start from our y-intercept and we can go rise over run. So in other words, the slope of 2 is like a 2 divided by 1. So we rise 2, 1, 2, and we run 1. And we rise 2, and we run 1. And this is creating our points.
we know that a double negative is the same as a positive. So we can also go down 2 and to the left 1, and down 2 and to the left 1, and this creates our line. Do you see how this is tilted in a positive way? Well, that makes sense to us because the slope is also positive, which is 2.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, please check out our website at www.classrx.com or drop us a line at hello@classrx.com and put my name in the subject line, Marlana. We look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.